laying some flooring down, laminated flooring. Had some challenges with it. It wasn't too bad. Just gotta get used to the new saw I have. But it's a quick step studio flooring, and this is a moisture barrier. It's very important to put it underneath it, okay? Because you don't want moisture from the concrete to be sweating and warp your boards and just cause you maybe mildew and some other problems. So what we're gonna do is open this, and you want to lay it down along the border. Make sure you try to get it up underneath the panel boards down there, because it makes it much easier to manage when you do. So I have old bricks laying around, so I'm just going to get snug up to that. Take this old brick, lay it there so it gives you some weight so you can roll it out. And you have this adhesive tape here. What we're going to do is roll it out and then fold it over, and then put the tape on the bottom side. You want to make sure on this side you got tape on that side, so it's it's going to line up just right. And we just roll this out, and you just cut it to length. This is the reason why they do the tape on the sides like this, so I can come back over here with another strip and just fix that up, and it won't make a bit of difference at all. It'll just cover it right up. And then once it covers it up, no one will know the difference. And that's that simple.